According to the CDC, 1 in every 13 children have a food allergy. That's about 2 children per classroom. Daycares need to be prepared to deal with food allergies to keep children safe. That's why every state's child care licensing department has rules and regulations on what daycares have to do when it comes to food allergies. At the time of enrollment, parents notify the daycare of what types of allergies their child has. Typically, the daycare would then request an allergy statement form filled out by the child's physician. The allergy statement will list out the allergies the child suffers from, the types of medications they may need, and the emergency medical response that's needed if a child is exposed to those allergens. An example of an emergency medical response would be the proper use of epinephrine, also known as an EpiPen. Most states then require that the daycare take this information and create a food allergy plan. The food allergy plan should cover the types of food the child can and cannot eat and list all the steps to take if the child is exposed to the allergen. The daycare should post that food allergy plan in the child's classroom for all caregivers to see. Unfortunately, some daycares take shortcuts and don't pay attention to a child's allergy plan or don't take it seriously. When they do this, they run the risk of exposing the child to an allergen that can cause life-threatening injuries, like an allergy attack, severe swelling, or anaphylactic shock. Let's go over what a daycare should do if a child is exposed to something they're allergic to. Most importantly, daycares need to take action quickly. They need to refer to the child's allergy plan and follow it precisely. If an EpiPen has been provided and is part of the allergy plan, then it needs to be administered and administered correctly. In addition, caregivers must seek immediate medical help. That will involve calling 911 to get an ambulance or getting the child to an emergency room. Daycare should not ignore symptoms and assume that the child will improve. Not getting medical attention in time can lead to the child not being able to breathe, which is called asphyxiation. That can end up causing brain damage, organ failure, heart problems, or death. Finally, daycares must call parents to alert them of the incident as soon as possible. If your child was injured or killed because a daycare did not take the proper steps to save them from an allergic reaction, be sure to reach out to our team immediately. These cases are serious and should not be taken lightly. Our team helps families move forward after a life-altering injury has happened to their child at daycare. And if you're not quite ready to speak to a member of our team, be sure to download our free guide, 5 Steps to Take After a Daycare Injury. It's linked below.